First thing I want to do is add some oats to this pan, and I've lined it with some parchment paper. So I've added 2 cups of oats into there. What we're going to do with these is slightly cook them in that air fryer first, because that'll bring out the sweetness. Then I'm going to add some granola to that, and it'll give us a bit of colour as well. It's also got a bit of fruit in there. So maybe half a cup of that. And then I've got some of these apricot wheats. So I'm going to break those up into there as well. And we'll give all that a good mix. While this is cooking in that air fryer, on occasion I'll just give it a bit of a mix up. So we'll pop these in and we'll cook them on about 180 until we start to get a little bit of a browning on it. Next I'm going to add some honey to a pan. I'm going to use about a cup. Then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of marmalade to that. And I'm going to warm that up until it becomes liquid. So on a very low heat. And we'll just give that a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, we'll give those oats a bit of a stir around. So as this dissolves, we'll just keep giving it a stir. And I'm going to add a bit of vanilla extract to that. And about a teaspoon of cinnamon as well. That's a little bit more flavour. And also a little lemon juice. And we'll just keep stirring that and get everything incorporated as this mixture is melting. We can see that that has completely dissolved now. So we'll turn that off because them oats are about ready. Those oats have been nicely toasted now, so we'll transfer them to this mixing bowl. Then we'll add that mixture and start to combine all that together. I'm just going to rub a bit of lard over that. It'll help that paper stick. We'll pop that back in. Now we'll add that mixture. I'm hoping that these are going to come out with a little bit of a crunch, but also a bit chewy as well. I'm just using a rigid plastic container to do this. Now they're ready to go back in the air fryer, and I'm going to cook them at a low level on about 175 for 10 to 15 minutes. Well, that's 15 minutes later and we've got a nice bit of a browning on that. So now we can cut it. And this is first time trying to make some of these, so didn't really know how they'd come out, but they do look nice little bars. And that's your homemade breakfast bars. They have got a bit of a crunch to them, but they're also chewy and they're very sweet, and we never put any sugar in. If you're interested in seeing more recipes like this in future, please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you next time. Take care.